Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Lexstyle Beauty. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Bad Betty inspired by Dress Your Face. So if you want to know how, please keep watching. I'm going to start by using my Brow Pro palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The brush I'm going to be using is 7B and I'm going to be using the shade Dark Brown. I'm going to start by brushing my brows, then I'm going to draw the straightest line I can on the top and bottom of my brow, then drag it into the middle to have a nice transitioning shade. Now that our brows are popping, then we're going to go in with our Cover FX primer, and we're going to do foundation.
We're still smearing the face. Do not forget that neck. So just spread this around as best you can, and then it's all good because we're just gonna go in with a beauty blender and pat blend it all out.
I just went in with my Born This Way Almond Concealer.
My favorite concealer.
Because this is super duper full coverage and your girl needs it. So we're gonna super duper coverage.
It's gonna look pretty pale, but your girl really is. Oh yeah. Bring that highlight to life.
I'm going in with Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso, and I'm just gonna dip a brush in there because it's not thin enough to brush on my cheek. And I'm gonna begin the mouth as soon as I get enough product down here. So I'm gonna start at my cheekbone and I'm gonna drag it in and downward. I'm actually gonna go in and blend this down a little bit. Using the same shade, I'm gonna go up my eyebrow. If that even made sense. On both sides. And then along my crease and back up. Now we're just gonna blend it all out with my favorite Sephora brush. I'm going back in with my True Match L'Oreal N2, and I'm just gonna snatch up these brows. Alrighty. I added a little nose contour just because I love that for my regular look, so I figured I'd love it for this. Just gonna be really careful because this can blend out and mix, and you don't want that. You want to keep your lines precise. Now I'm going to deepen all of my contour with
the Sippin' Pretty palette.
And I'm going to use this black shade, which is called Blackout. And we're just gonna dip that in. Be careful with it. You don't want to be too too dramatic. I'm just gonna start right at the top. Work my way in and blend it down. Talk about
snatch.
All right, now we're going in with the eyes. This is always the scary part. And I'm just gonna trace right what I did before.
Yes, girl.
Now I'm going in with my Fenty Galaxy palette and I'm gonna do the color Ozone and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Super. If you're using this, you gotta layer it pretty well. Now I'm gonna go in with my tattoo liner from Kat Von D. This is like
My go-to.
I like the brush one, and I'm just gonna wing this out further than my brow. And then I'm also going to line my crease, the tear duct. These two front ones we're gonna make teardrops, so we're gonna make them into teardrop shapes. Come in.
Titi, where are you? I'm right here, Titi.
Oh, hi.
What are you doing, Titi?
Sola just walked in and she's wondering what I'm doing. I'm making myself into Bad Betty. Going in with the Kat Von D lash liner, and I just went over all the other stuff just to make it darker, but now I'm gonna go over my nose. I only did one eye. I'll show you the other eye after. I'm gonna line the top of this eye as well. I just want
to be super sharp.
It's so funny when I do this.
Maybe you do.
Going back in with Ozone, and I'm just gonna highlight underneath like I did here, the brow. Now I'm just gonna draw in the rest of my lashes.
How does she look? Good.
Magnifico.
He said magnifico.
Going in with my white Snazaroo paint, I'm gonna now draw some skeleton-like teeth. I'm gonna begin outlining my teeth with my Kat Von D liner. And I'm just gonna drag this out and connect it to my cheekbone. To highlight my skin, I'm gonna be going in with the Fire Crystal and Lightning Dust. Going in with my Miami Lily Lashes, my favorite. And then I'm gonna go in with some Duo Glue. Taking my lash applicator and just gonna place these right on top of my lash line. I'm taking my MAC mascara, actually. I said I was going in with the diamonds. And I'm just gonna go over and darken my real lashes. Now we're gonna go in with our diamonds once I open them. I'm using a pearl-like one and probably those diamonds, and I'm also gonna use one nice, beautiful red one. I'm gonna go in with some spirit gum to glue the gems on my face. I'm just gonna brush some of this right on the back, a dot. I actually put a little bit too much, I can tell, because it's like dripping. And then this one I'm gonna place right in the middle of my forehead.
Damn, honey.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the pearls, pretty pearls. And I'm gonna go around the whole edge. See, I have all my gems on my face now that I wanted to put on. I actually added one on my tooth too, just because I thought it would be really pretty. So now I'm just gonna get all dressed up and then you guys will see the final look. Well, I have to also put a lot of jewelry in too, but you'll see that all after. So I'm all done. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. We love you.